In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM Imap configuration. This process helps you connect your email system to Zoho CRM, so your messages and related communication can be handled in a more organized way. If you follow along carefully, you will be able to complete the setup in just a few minutes. To begin, open Zoho CRM and look for the settings area. You can usually find it using the gear icon in the interface. Go ahead and click the gear icon, which stands for Settings. This is the place where Zoho CRM lets you manage integrations and channel connections, so it is the correct starting point for the email configuration. Once you are in the Settings menu, the next thing you will do is navigate to the Email Connection option. In the available options, select Email under Channels, and then click Get Started. You should see the setup flow for email begin right after you choose that option. This step matters because it launches the wizard that guides you through choosing the type of email configuration you want to use. Now you are ready to choose the configuration type. When prompted to select an email configuration type, choose IMAP. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol, and it is commonly used for accessing email while keeping messages synced between your email provider and your client. Selecting IMAP tells Zoho CRM how it should connect to your mail server. So this is an important choice before you enter any details. With IMAP selected, you will now see a section where you can enter the email information and connection settings. Enter your full email address in the appropriate field. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears in your email account, because accurate entry helps Zoho CRM connect successfully. While you enter it, focus on spelling and formatting, since small mistakes can prevent the configuration from working. Next, you will fill in the email configuration field. This field is part of the configuration details Zoho provides for the IMAP setup. Use the email configuration values shown or required in the setup form, and then click Configure. The purpose of this button is to apply your settings so Zoho CRM can validate the configuration and establish the connection using the IMAP method. After you click Configure, take a moment to watch what Zoho CRM does on screen. The interface may take a brief moment to confirm your configuration or to update the status of the connection. If there is any feedback, such as a confirmation message, use it to verify that the setup was accepted. If the system asks for additional information, follow only what the interface requests in that same configuration screen, because the email channel wizard is designed to keep the steps aligned. At this point, your Zoho CRM Imap configuration should be in place, tied to the email channel you selected earlier. You can now move forward with using the email channel features in Zoho CRM, depending on how your organization manages communication workflows, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.